today we're looking at the 2017 Ford F-150 Lariat. This one is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Heading on inside, we do have our black interior with our leather heated and ventilated seats on both sides. You can find our power adjustable seat controls here at the bottom left of the seat. Making our way up, we do have our leather heated steering wheel. Of course, we have our display touchscreen with navigation and Bluetooth capabilities. Of course, down here we have our media controls. And down below we also have our dual climate control zones. Down here you'll find space and storage to go alongside our 2 USB outlets, our shifter, 2 cup holders, and of course making our way into the middle console here. More than enough storage for anything you might need to store. Moving along to our driver's side door, here in the inside of the door you'll find our power locks to go alongside our seat memory settings. Of course, up here we also have our power adjustable side mirrors and our power auto windows. Of course, if you make our way over to the steering wheel, we'll find our volume controls here on the right hand side to go alongside our voice recognition, and on the left hand side you'll find our cruise control settings. If we take a look here, we also have an AC outlet, our drive modes, and trailer brake controls. To the left here we also have our push to start ignition, as well as this vehicle is equipped with keyless entry and remote start. If we put this vehicle in reverse, you'll see we do have a lovely backup camera. And if we look up, you'll see we do have controls for our panoramic sunroof. Moving along to the back here, we still have our leather heated seats on both sides. You can find the controls for those seats right here in the middle to go alongside our 2 USB ports and an AC outlet. We also have 2 vents, 2 cup holders, of course cubbies behind each seat for storage. We also have some hidden storage underneath our seats, and our power slidable rear window. In the middle, of course, we have our lovely armrest and cup holders here in the front. Checking out the exterior here on the Lariat, we do have our LED headlights and fog lamps, black tow hooks at the bottom. If we make our way over to our tires here, we have 18-inch rims on our Michelin tires, our adjustable side mirrors with the blinker integrated along the back, keyless entry like I mentioned earlier, as well as our passcode here on the front door to get you in. We have black running boards, tint in the rear window. If we make our way to the back, we have the FX4 off-road badge and our tonneau cover on top. And of course, at the back, we do have our Ford badge. If you make your way to the right, you'll find our exhaust. And that is our 2017 Ford F-150 Lariat. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.